My Fiverr earnings went from $0, absolutely nothing, to over $5,000, and consistent payments like this. And the thing is, I didn't even blow up on Fiverr. I still get very little impressions. So, I know what you're thinking. How are you making this kind of money with barely any reach? And what are you missing? How do you get the same results? Let's rewind to the start, before my first order. Having left my job to go freelance, I was desperate to earn money. I threw out a load of gigs on video production, but I'd refresh my dashboard over and over again and see nothing. Then after a few weeks, I lowered my prices and I started to get some small video presenting work. 30-second video here, 60-second video there, on average around $50 jobs. They started to get me reviews. And I thought, more reviews equals more reach, let's just keep clocking them up. A couple of months passed and I had worked on half a dozen projects, but I made a few $100s at best. After Fiverr cuts, even less. Still nowhere near the kind of money that you'd be telling the world about on a YouTube video. But then, something different happened in February. Something that changed the way I look at Fiverr completely. A client reached out to me regarding a bigger project, not the usual 30-second ads. They wanted me to create a long-form YouTube video around 10 minutes long. I would present and edit this content alongside designing a thumbnail or even a short edit too. This ended up paying me close to 10 times my average sale. For once, a client wasn't trying to haggle me down to $20 orders. And it didn't stop there either. They went on to order 9 of these videos from me and counting, meaning this client was responsible for around $4,000 of my current total. This completely changed the way I think about Fiverr. This client came to me. I didn't have to send out a bunch of outreach. This work landed in my inbox. There are clients on this platform that have big budgets and are willing to repeat buy. That's why it's so important to deliver your best work, clock up those reviews, and never give up. My goal now is to try and find more of these clients, because 2 or 3 more could dramatically increase my monthly income. None of this would have been possible though if I didn't get my first order, because it's that early momentum that gets you in front of these clients. Watch this video right here to see how I got my first order after 4 years of trying, and hit that subscribe button to follow my journey to 10K a month as a video creator, and we can help each other get there.